Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making an instant 10-minute meal cake. This rich and delicious dessert is soft, slightly caramelized, and perfect for quick sweet cravings or special occasion. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add half cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Cook caramel carefully to avoid burning. Now add 1 cup milk carefully. Use full fat milk for better taste. And mix well. Milk cake is a traditional Indian sweet. Caramelized sugar gives it a rich golden color and flavor. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well until the milk curdle. Add 2 teaspoon ghee. In a separate bowl, mix 2 cup milk powder with 1 cup milk. Mix until smooth. Milk powder helps make this recipe quick and easy. Now add the mixture into the pan. Stir continuously and cook until the mixture thickens. Stir continuously to prevent sticking. Keep cooking until it starts separates from the pan. Grease a 5-inch mold with oil and place baking paper. Spread some dry fruits at the bottom. Pour the mixture and spread evenly. This dessert is often prepared during festival and celebration. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade sweets have fewer preservatives. Dry fruits add healthy fats and nutrients. Controlled sugar helps manage sweetness level. Your instant 10-minute milk cake is ready, soft, rich and full of flavor. Try this easy dessert and share your feedback in the comment. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more quick sweet recipes.